All right, next one I'm going to show you guys is how to extend these feet on this tripod. You're going to notice that there's a little screw, unscrew this, so you can see which way I'm doing it with my finger, and then it just slides out. You see? I mean, it goes out pretty good. And this nib down here is nice and soft. It's rubber, right? And then to lock it out, you would come here and you would just go the opposite way that you went. You follow me? So what I'm doing is I'm tightening it. And so if I was facing it, I would be going clockwise. If I was facing it to loosen it, I would go counterclockwise. See it from this thing here. To loosen it, I go counterclockwise. To lock it down, I go clockwise. It's that simple. That's how you extend it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it back in like this, and then I'm just going to lock it down because I have to set the base on top of this, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to pick this up and we're going to set it on the ground, and we're going to spread these legs all the way out, okay? When you're first setting it up, you could extend these if you wanted to. I'm not going to extend them for right now because I got to work on it a little bit. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open the legs up as far as they go, just like this. You see that? Kind of pulling them all the way out. I'm just going to set her down on the ground. It should be level right there. So let me just show you the interior of this. So you can see how beefy this is. It's got really good, strong, connectors here. I mean, it's a pretty good product, I've got to say. And let's go ahead and set her down. Now, of course, we can make it much higher, but we're going to put the base on right now. And I want to show you guys how we do that.